So this is the sunrise, sunset for yesterday. We want to go over this just to make sure that we're doing everything correctly. Okay, we do know if you go step by step, you will have much less difficulty. All right, so step one, we add 12 to the PM time. So 12 plus 8 equals 20. And therefore, step two, we rewrite 810 as 20, 10. And then we subtract 5, 35. Now, you see something different, a lot of you, when you panic. The rules do not change. Okay, so we can't subtract here, but we can take a 10 to make a 10 right over here. So that's our first step. Okay, now we can't subtract here. We can't take an hour from here. So we're going to have to take 10 hours from here. All right, we take this, make it one less, and we give 10 hours here. This is what's important, okay? This is great. We could subtract here, we could subtract here, but we cannot subtract here, okay? So what we need to do is we need to take our hour of power, all right? And when we take an hour of power, we think of 60 minutes. This becomes a 6. That's all you need to do. Now you can subtract. 14 hours and 35 minutes. Another way to solve it is very similar, okay? We'd go with the same step one. Where we add AM, PM, forgot that. 12 plus 8 equals 20, all right? Then step two, we rewrite it as 2010, right? Minus 5, 35, okay? But what we can also do is we can rewrite 2010 as one less hour, 19, because we know we're going to have to regroup and take an hour of power. And then we add 60 to 10, which is 17. 1970 minus 535. And 1970 is like saying 19 hours plus 60 minutes plus 10 minutes. That's it, okay? That if you could do that, it makes it very easy as well. So now watch what happens. It's the same thing, okay? 2010 is the same thing as 19 hours, right? Because 19 hours and 70 minutes. 20 hours equals 19 hours plus 60 minutes. 19 plus 1 hour. 19 plus 1 hour equals 20 hours, okay? So it's the same idea. You can do that as well. That's another strategy.